Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's lesson. I'm Maggie.
Hi, Maggie.
Hi, John. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you, Maggie?
I'm good too. Great to see you, John.
I'm happy to be here.
Today, we will learn some very simple words. We'll talk about colors, shapes, and some important grammar. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Great. Let's start with this and that.
What does this mean, Maggie?
Good question. This means something close to you, right in front of you. For example, this pen.
Ah, so this is close.
Yes, exactly. Now, that means something far away. For example, that book on the table.
Ah, I understand. So this is close and that is far.
Yes, very good. Let's practice. Look, John, I have a red pencil here. This is my pencil. Can you say it?
This is your pencil.
Great. Now, look over there. There is a green book on the shelf. That is a book. Can you say it?
That is a book.
Well done. Next, let's learn about a, an, and the.
I see those words a lot. What do they mean?
A and an are used for one thing. A is used before words that start with a consonant sound, and an is used before words that start with a vowel sound.
What's the difference?
For example, a pen. Pen starts with a consonant sound, so we use a. But an apple, apple starts with a vowel sound, so we use an.
Ah, so A is for pen and an is for apple.
Exactly. Now, the is used when we talk about something specific, like the pen on the table or the apple in the basket.
So the is for something we already know.
Yes, that's right. Now, let's practice. I'll say a word, and you say a or an. Ready?
Okay.
A dog.
The dog.
No, it's a dog because we don't know which dog it is. Let's try again. An umbrella.
An umbrella.
Good job. Let's try one more. The chair.
The chair.
Yes, perfect. The is for something specific, like the chair in the room. Next, let's talk about singular and plural nouns.
What's the difference?
Singular means one. Plural means more than one. For example, one cat is singular and two cats is plural.
Ah, so cat is singular and cats is plural.
Exactly. Most plural nouns end with S. For example, dogs, books, pens.
I see. So a dog becomes dogs and a book becomes books.
Yes. Now let's practice. I'll say a word and you say the plural. A chair.
Chairs.
Good. Let's try another one. A car.
Cars.
Great. You're doing really well. Now, let's practice some simple commands. These are words we use to tell someone to do something.
Commands. Oh, I understand.
First, sit. Sit means to lower your body and rest on your bottom.
Sit. Like when I sit on a chair.
Exactly. Now, stand. Stand means to get up on your feet.
Stand means to be on my feet.
Very good. Now, listen. Listen means to hear and pay attention.
Listen means to hear carefully.
Yes. Let's practice. I'll say the command and you do it. Ready?
Okay.
Sit.
Sit.
Stand.
Stand.
Listen.
Listen.
Great job! You followed all the commands. Now, let's talk about colors and shapes.
Colors and shapes. Sounds fun.
Yes, it is. Colors help us describe things. For example, this is a red ball. Red is the color.
I see. Red is a color.
Exactly. Now, shapes are the forms of objects. For example, a square has 4 equal sides.
Square. I know that shape.
Yes, a circle is round, like a ball. A triangle has 3 sides.
So square, circle, and triangle.
Great! Now let's practice. Can you find something in your room that is red?
I see a red book.
Very good. Now, can you find something that is a circle?
A clock. It's round.
Perfect. Now let's review. Now let's quickly review what we learned today.
Okay.
We learned this and that. Articles a, an, and the. Singular and plural nouns. Basic commands sit, stand, and listen. Colors and shapes.
I remember. This is close. That is far. I also remember a dog and an apple.
Great job, John, and great job to everyone listening.
Thank you, Maggie.
Thank you, John, and thank you, everyone, for listening. If you enjoyed today's lesson, please like and subscribe to our podcast for more English lessons.
See you next time.
Goodbye.